Today, I'll show you how to create this particle animation effect in Premiere Pro. First, go to the Project panel and create a color matte. Choose black as the color and click OK. Drag the color matte to your timeline, then place your image above it. Next, highlight your image and go to Effect Controls. Click the stopwatch icon next to opacity to enable keyframes. Set the opacity to 0% and change the blend mode to dissolve. Move the playhead forward a few seconds on the timeline, then adjust the opacity to 100%. For the 3D effect, go to the Effects panel, search for Basic 3D, and drag it onto your image. In the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust parameters like swivel, tilt, and distance to image to give your animation a 3D perspective. Play with these settings to match your desired look. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take it a step further by animating the 3D effect for even more dynamic visuals. And that's it. See you in the next video.